Howdy, this is Scooter again. Welcome back. I want to thank all of you who dropped by to watch my last video on YouTube. I think there were 7 of you. One fella asked if I was retarded. Well, no, I'm not old enough to retire yet, but one day I hope to. Another question we had was, am I picking on that nice fella that did the global warming piece? No, sirree, Bob. I would not pick on such a nice man. I think global warming's a fine religion. Somebody said, what do you mean global warming's a religion? Isn't global warming a science? Well, you know, let's just call this Scooter's Philosophy Hour. Science is all about observation, hypothesis, and independent verification. Religions are about creative answers to things we don't know. Let me give you an example. This is Newton's second law. Determines how things act when you throw them. I threw a tire onto my brother-in-law. He whooped up on my butt. This means that Newton's law is something I can go out and check. And Newton was right. My brother-in-law would whoop up on my butt. This is the Drake equation. The Drake equation gives us a good idea of how many intelligent beings there are in the universe. A very smart man named Drake, who's an astronomer, made this. Got lots of math symbols in it, multiplying all these terms out. This is a speculative hypothesis. This is religion. There's no way this can be proved. It's simply some ideas put down on paper in a mathematical scientific format. By the way, if you add one term on the end, you'll find out why I believe that giant space weasels could come and attack us. There is the Scooter's giant space weasel term that needs to be added to the end of this equation. Now, climate science is non-demonstrable. That is, we're not able to make predictions that we can go and verify. Therefore, climate science right now is a religion. It is not a science. Thank you very much for joining Scooter's Philosophy Hour.